Hello Facebook, hi everybody, Jamie here. It is cocktail time with Jamie, and thank you everybody for watching me. I appreciate it. It is Friday, so I'm assuming most of you had off today. Schools were closed and a lot of businesses did not open, but Aroma Thyme is open tonight. We are open for takeout and dine-in. Please be careful if you are going to get out there and drive. The roads, the main roads are okay right now. Side roads are a little bit icy and there's a lot of trees down, so just be careful if you are coming out. But you can do takeout, you can come dine in with us. The bar is open, you can come stop in and have a drink. We'd love to see you. We have a short staff tonight, so small staff. We didn't want everybody driving in from a distance, so just be aware of that and just be patient with us. But we are open. Our $9.99, actually our takeout special this week is a buy one get one free burger. So it's buy one get one free. You can pick any of our burgers and you can do as many as you would like. So that is our takeout special until Monday. Monday we have a wine dinner, 4 wines in a dish for $29. That is a steal. You cannot beat that for $29 to go out and get four different wines and a dish. It ends up being about 2 glasses of wine. So thanks everybody for watching me. I appreciate it. Hello Jason, hello Lynette, hello Ralph. Marcus is on. If you are watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you are watching on the replay, hashtag replay, give me a thumbs up so that I know that you are here. So I love to see who is joining me and who is watching me. I've been doing these since March of 2020, so we're coming on almost 2 years of doing Facebook Lives. Kind of amazing. I used to be super nervous. Now I just kind of roll with the flow. If you are on our Facebook page, if you can go and vote for the 3 Ellenville restaurants that are nominated for a Best of Award through Hudson Valley Magazine, that would be great. If you go on to Hudson Valley Magazine, you can vote. We are up for Best Farm to Table Restaurant. So, as most of you know, we source our ingredients local, independent, and including our bar. We're really conscious about where everything's coming from. We just turned over our lettuce, our romaine, to a local romaine. So we're always trying to do more and more to support local and to bring business back to our area and to support the little guys. So as you know, most of you know already, our bar is all independent spirits, no big brands. You won't find Jack Daniels, Captain Morgan, none of that behind the bar. All small independents. Local, when we can do local, obviously there are certain things we cannot get local, like cognac, and scotch, has to come from Scotland. So those things cannot be local, but we try as hard as we can to support local. Our dollar means, your dollar, when you spend it with us, means a lot to us, so we want to support the independents and the local guys. So thank you everybody very much for supporting us here at Aroma Thyme, supporting our staff, supporting all the families. We really, really appreciate that, and we've been here 18 years, and we are just excited to be bringing you all of the awesome things that we bring you all the time. So, all right, so today I'm going to make a blood orange breeze. I'm going to be using Thatcher's Blood Orange Liqueur. I am going to be using LIV vodka from Long Island. I'm going to be using Hella Bitters from Brooklyn, Natalie's grapefruit juice, and lemon juice. So let me get started. So I'm going to put some ice in my glass. And I'm going to start with 2 ounces, or 1 3/4 ounces of vodka. And I'm going to add about 1 ounce of blood orange liqueur. This is organic. It's from Thatcher's. Add about 5 dashes of bitters. A little splash of lemon juice. And I'm going to top it off with the Natalie's grapefruit juice. And there we go. I'm going to give it a little swirl. Mix it on up. And I'm going to put a blood orange on top. One of my dried, beautiful blood oranges that Courtney made for me. Aren't they beautiful? So thank you everybody for watching. I see lots of people on. Hello, Pam, Eileen, Louis, Daniel. Thank you very much, everybody. Let me go ahead and taste this. Oh, and Courtney's watching today too. Hi, Court. You know what I forgot? I forgot to put honey in there. So I'm gonna put a little bit of agave in there. It's really good. It's a little sour, but I'm gonna put a little bit of agave. I knew there was something I was forgetting. Make it just a little bit sweeter. It's very good. Grapefruit, blood orange, vodka, bitters.
Yes.
Yes. Delicious, nice and refreshing. Not quite a winter drink, but I find grapefruit juice to be delicious in the winter time. I love bourbons and rye in the winter, vodka. Listen, there are no rules to what cocktails you drink in what weather. And so there you have it, everybody. Hope everybody has an awesome day. Please stay safe out there. We are open this evening. Our buy one, get one free special this week until Monday is our burgers. So buy one burger, get one free, to go only. And we will see everybody soon. Hope everybody stays safe, stay warm, and we'll catch everybody soon. I will be on probably on Monday, and catch me then. Have a great night, everybody. Cheers.